Hi all, welcome to another episode of Monica's Positive Vibes. In this episode, there's going to be a Q&A answering format where I will be answering all your questions that you have asked so far privately or through comments. Well, are you ready to get your doubts clarified? Yes. One of the subscribers have asked me, can we use NLP to cure diseases? Yes, of course you can. NLP process, you can do anything with NLP process, be it health or your goal setting or your time changes, like lifestyle changes, like what you are wanting to be, you can do through NLP. When you're doing NLP, I would have given you an episode where you will be having a clearance of mind and surrendering to God. Maybe I can add the link in my description so that you can watch that once again. So you will have a clarity of clearing your mind. I have detailedly explained, and morning affirmation NLP process I have elaborately explained. You can check those videos for your clarity. If you are a new subscriber, please do go watch my previous videos on NLP where I would have clarified everything in detail. So I will give you a simple process of NLP for health related process right now, so that it will be easy for you to cope up with the next videos when you're watching. First process, as you are seated or as you are lying down, close your eyes, take a deep breath, observe your breath in and out. So this is going to be your first step. When in the process of clearing your mind, I would have told you, remember the positive things that made you happy while breathing in, and exhale the negative things that had hurted you while breathing out. Similarly, for health related issues, when you're breathing in, say that I am healthy, my organ is healthy, like that. And while exhaling, all the negative impressions that made my organ weak are moving away from me. Let's do a sample. If you have a hand pain, for example, close your eyes. Imagine where your hand or leg is paining. For example, I'm saying this. For now, I'm going to do an NLP for hand pain. So what is the process is, close your eyes gently, sit in a comfortable posture or lie down in a comfortable posture. Observe your breath. While taking it, breathe in and out for 1 minute. After 1 minute, the second step is, my hand pain is completely gone. While breathing in, you have to say this affirmation, and while breathing out, whatever caused the pain are moving away from me. This is going to be the affirmation that you're going to tell while exhaling. The third step is, in the clearance process, I would have told you to surrender all the things that brought you negativity to your Almighty's feet. Instead of that, here you're going to imagine that you are having a strong hand and your pain has gone. You are able to do much more greater than what you did yesterday using your hands. This is what you're going to imagine. This imagination will create an impact in your mind and releasing the pain from your body. This is a mental training technique, that is mind training technique, that would improvise your thoughts and help you encourage do your work in action. Hope you're clear. The second thing many of you have questioned is, you're saying about positive vibrations. When we exhibit positive vibration, the surroundings exhibit a lot of negative vibrations imposed on us. What is the remedy that we have to do to overcome the negative vibration that our surrounding creates? Well, that was a good question from my subscriber. They said not to mention their names, so I am not mentioning their names so that their privacy will be maintained. Yes, in case of negative vibration surrounding you and the positive vibration you are exhibiting, well, you are in the right track. You have to exhibit positive vibrations all throughout your work, actions, in your thoughts. Whenever you exhibit a positive vibration, initially there may be a test of negative vibration overruling us. It is our mind that controls our action. What you take into your mind, that is going to be your outcome. Or what you pronounce out, that's going to be your outcome. So think twice before thinking or uttering words. Be positive always, even when people put you down. No one is going to come with you, or no one has the right to decide who you are. You know who you are. That mentality should be there in your mind. In every case, if corrections are there, you can accept it. If blames are there, you can accept it. But still, your mind will say, I am accepting everything, but a little expectation from the other side I have. Ignore that expectation. You are the one to win. These two doubts I wanted to clarify with you all. Have a happy Thursday. Until we meet on next Thursday, stay tuned to my channel. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, pressing the bell icon with all notification to get all my notifications on time on Thursdays. Thank you. Love you all. Take care. Until we meet next Thursday. Love you all. Bye.